Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Yorba Linda, California. We're in our 68-foot spray cabin here. It's a heated downdraft spray booth. It's got 2 air makeup systems on it with over 300 million B2 PTU of heat. Fantastic for curing the paint and moving the paint process along, especially when you have multiple colors and graphics, and very clean environment to do your paint in. So here you can see that this coach had damage along the whole side, and now they're spraying in the first color of the graphic, which is the gold, and then they'll come back and start masking the other colors, and then clear coat final, and then polish and put it back together. It's hard to find a paint shop in the RV industry that invest in the equipment that we do here at OCRV. We're serious about repairing your RV properly and right. So if you've got damaged RV, please come see us at OCRV in Yorba Linda.